this video, we are going to learn about the component library, okay, named ShadCN UI. We will learn about how to initialize it and how to add components into it, and we will learn about how to use the components into our websites like button, sidebar, and sheet. Okay, so let's see how to initialize it. Okay, so npx ShadCN at latest, and then initialize it. Okay. So I am doing yes for the New York, then neutral, yes for CSS variables, and just enter it. Okay, so now we have installed our ShadCN. Okay, so now we have to add a component. Okay, so let's see what are the components we have. Okay, so we have components like accordion, alert, avatar, badge, breadcrumb, and then we have buttons, card, calendar, carousel. Okay, so we have many components. Let's see how to download these components. Okay, so first you have to write npx ShadCN at latest, then add let's see, button. Okay, let's add the button component first. Okay, so our button is installed. We have so now we have this new folder named components. Okay, inside this we have another folder named UI, then we have our button.tsx. Okay, so now how to add this button.tsx into our web page. Okay, so first of all we have to import this button function. Okay, so how to import this? Import and then button. Okay, from at slash components slash UI, then our button. Okay, so now we have our button components. Okay, let's delete this and then get the button function. Okay, so this is our button. Okay, so and in this button okay component, the B is capital. Okay, B is uppercase, and just write something into this continue. Okay, let's continue, then start the application npm and then okay. Okay, so now we got our button, okay, with a continue text in it. Okay, so now let's see the variants for the component button. Okay, so if you go to this file of button, okay, so there are and five variants like default, destructive, after, secondary, ghost, link. Okay, so you can make your own variant. Okay, but let's first use these variants. Okay, so okay, right here variant. Okay, then this and then we already are using the default variant. Okay, that's the default button look like this. Okay, so let's use some other like destructive. Okay, so destructive, this will turn out our button into red. Okay, then we have ghost, having no background colors, and then we have a link. Okay, so we got underline on hover. Okay, and then we have like outlines. Okay, so we got an outline in here, and then we have the secondary. Okay, so secondary. Okay, so having a very subtle background color. Okay, of like something gray color. Okay, so now how can you add your own variants into it? So just go into this file and write like sky. Okay, so text like white, and then we have the pg sky 700. Okay, so now you have to just add your new variant in here. Okay, so if you see the suggestions, you can get a new suggestion named sky. Okay, just check into the website, and here we go, we got our own variant in here. Okay, can then you just delete this variant and you will get an error in here. Okay, so we no more have that suggestion, so just let this default. Okay. Okay, so now how can you add all the components in once? Okay, so you have to just come to your terminal and type npx shadcn at latest, then add. Okay, and just enter. Now yes, okay, so we got all the components. Okay, now you have to just tap key a. Okay, okay, key a and just enter. So this will download all the components in the ShadCN UI. Okay. Okay, so we got all the components downloaded. Okay, so now how can we use it? Okay, so let's see, we use a sheet. Okay, sheet like is like a sidebar. Okay, so let's use the sheet. Just import this sheet, and then we have to use a sheet trigger. Like, okay, sheet trigger is something like a button, okay, in which you clicked and the sidebar pops up. Okay, so let's use X, and then we have a sheet content. Okay, so we have the sheet content. Inside this we have a sheet header, write something into it. Hello YouTube, hello YouTube, and then we have a sheet description. Okay, so sheet description. Inside this we have a um, hello from the ShadCN UI current version. Okay, so now if you go back to your website, then we have this X mark. Okay, so if you tap on this, then we got a new sidebar in here. Okay, so just tap on this, and okay, so we have some props into it, like from now it is opening from our right side, so you can do something from which it can open from the your left side. Okay, so come into the sheet content, and then type this side. Okay, side, let's say left. Okay, um side, and then now this sidebar pops from your left side. Okay, you can do another thing like on the top, and then this will pop up from your top. Okay, then we have the bottom maybe. Yeah, bottom. Okay, so nice, great work. So this is how you can use these components from the ShadCN UI library. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe.